Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of our old farmhouse. Right now I'm heading out to our center raised garden beds to plant something new. And when I say something new, it is something I've planted before, but it's a new system in which I've never planted like. And I'm excited to share it with you guys. So with that said, let's get gardening. All right guys, today I'm gonna be planting lettuce. And yes, I've grown lettuce many different times, but today we're gonna be using a seed tape to get this planted. Now I've never used seed tape before, as I've had some concerns in the past that it may slow down the germination rate and it may actually prevent some seeds from germinating. So I'm very excited today to give this a try. I'm gonna try to do it quick because as I got out here, I am now being swarmed by mosquitoes. So right here is what it looks like, and we're gonna go ahead and get this in the ground. All right guys, well the directions on the package are pretty straightforward. We're gonna dig 3 shallow trenches here, and we're gonna go ahead and roll out this seed tape across each trench and then get it slightly buried. All right guys, well, if you've never planted with seed tape before, this is what it looks like. It honestly feels like a slightly thick paper towel, which again should help trap some moisture in to get the seeds to germinate pretty quickly in the beginning. But my concern is, are the seeds going to be able to rupture through the paper towel as quickly as they would just the soil? So we're gonna go ahead and do a little bit of an experiment here and see how this turns out. All right guys, well it was that quick. In just a few short weeks I should have some black-headed Simpson lettuce that's growing in that raised garden bed. But we're gonna come back out and we're gonna check on it in about 3 weeks and see how it's going. With that said, the planting process was relatively quick, especially compared to planting just seeds. But one of the things that I did notice is that when I bumped it or when I was trying to bury the actual tape, I consistently had where I was pulling tape out of the ground. So it did take a second to get planted, but it was faster than just planting seeds. With that said guys, we're gonna see how this goes. I'd love to hear your guys' feedback if you've had success with this in your own homesteader garden. And with that said guys, I appreciate you for checking out this video, but I'm gonna hurry up and get inside because these mosquitoes are following me around and they are bad today. So thank you guys for watching. Please consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys.